Hey guys, out there, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some Minecraft, yes, Minecraft, and we are going to be playing some, well, one of these magical servers. Don't know which one I'm going to play. I might play, should I go Lifeboat or I'll go Nova Space Station and see what they have in store for us to do and stuff. Fun stuff like that. Sorry if you hear a squeaky noise, my chair's really squeaky today. But here we are in the... Who didn't already? Gosh. What do we want to do? What? Oh. Space Race, Block Hunt, Sky Wars, Money Wars. Let's do Block Hunt. There we go, we're in... Let's do some parkour whilst we're waiting. I get to show off my parkour skills, don't I now? Yep, yes, go, I get to show off. This is my outfit. I am the Slime King. I am a businessman. Or the slime. Wow, dude. I hate it when they get in your view. It's really annoying. Bruh, move. Thank you. Ah! That was annoying. No! This is really hard, kind of. I'll see you guys when we get into the... Oh wait, don't worry. I was gonna say, see you guys when we get in the server, but on 23 odd seconds, we're gonna be in the game. Ah! Ah, God. Ow! I blame my keyboard. By the way, I have a new PC, so it's not that. It won't be as laggy for you. I have to admit, I'm not that good at parkour. Circle of route will be teleported, I think. Something. Oh, I've joined a glitchy server. Back to her, back to her. See you guys when I get this sorted. Well, we're joining Lifeboat now, because that server decided not to work, but there's a new map on here. Treasure hunts. What games are there? Game type. Oh, this is it. Let's go Sky Wars. Let's play some Sky Wars. That is a fun game. I have to admit, I am boss at Sky Wars, depending on who I'm playing against. Playing against some really hard people, it's gonna be hard. If I'm not, then I'm boss. Whoa, which one should we be? Creeper, peasant. I want a cyber assassin or... Which one should we go for, guys? Let's go hit us. No, it's got gold stuff and a bad weapon. We'll still have a weapon and some armor. Yeet! Yeet! Quick play. Sneak, I know how to play. It's 25 seconds until Sky Wars starts. 22. I will see you guys when it starts. Oh, sorry guys, but I'll see you guys when it starts. Alright guys, the round literally just started. Whoops. Alright, see what I mean? Got some... I don't think that kit actually did anything. Take some of this. We go down there, can we get... Don't know what I did there. Yep. Why can't you break your base? I hate this map, let me just remind you guys. So let me just tell you guys. The time I was on this map, right? Oh yes, there's something in here. Yes, heaven, 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 heaven. So I was in this map, right? And there was these, people in the middle. I was having fun. Yes, I'm still. I was having fun playing around. I was just about to kill the last guy. And then all of a sudden, he decided he wanted to kill me. So I jumped, thinking, how I'm smart now, you're not going to catch me. And I ended up jumping off the map. And that's why I don't like this. Should I go into the... Yeah, let's go to the middle, because there's nothing really else that's that good on this island. Build across. Good, no one's there. Keep building. There. No, bro, no, I wasn't quick enough. Sorry if I was, Yeah. Boo. I'd use assassin now. Whoops. I called democracy, I'm playing again. I'm playing again. I'm mad. I was so close. No, look, do you want, I'm gonna break the game, you ready? Whoa. Right, we started. Let's go. Yes, diamond. I think we've got a diamond sword, guys. I'm not too 100%. Wood. Another crafting table. Think we just got a diamond sword. No, we didn't. Nah, mate. No! You need 2 diamonds. Why troll me like this? Huh? Huh? Punk? Troll me. Oh, by the way, I bet all of you are now screaming at your screens like, how could you be so newbie? You need 2 diamonds. I'm sorry, okay? I thought you didn't need that. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. That wasn't my fault. I better not sneak attack me. Did I get like the worst art stuff you can? Yeah, I probably did, except from that diamond. I might make my way over there, yeah. What I'm gonna do, build across, build across, build across, build across, whoops, build across, build across, build across, build across, build across, build across, build across. Oh guys, I was saying a while back that when I reach 100 views on my first vid, I will do 3 uploads in one day. I didn't do 3 uploads in one day that day because there is a good reason, I promise. Yes! No, I didn't. No, I didn't just get a diamond. Guys, I got a diamond sword. Guys, I've got a diamond sword. Guys, I can't stop saying it now. Diamond sword, let's go. No one will want to mock. Whoa, dude. Yo, yeah, exactly, punk. Die. Yes, full set of leather. Put that gold chest plate on. Think I'm good. Oh, I better eat something. No, I don't want that crafting table. Yes, iron helmet, let's go. Legit the best round I've ever had, probably. That's where I came on. Hi, sir. Hi, I have diamond sword, by the way. Yeah, thank you. Got that. There we go. I'm set again. Diamond sword's gonna probably allow me to win the round. Don't have a bow yet, no. Build across. All you want, punk. Probably not gonna be able to kill me. Not being biased or anything, but come on, let's face facts, guys. Probably won't, will he? Yeet! I had to say that. Right, I'm good. Whoa! I've played Minecraft tons. The middle's over there. Wait, was this someone's base I came? I think that guy, the guy's base I came onto must be so mad now. Because I've just realised this wasn't my base. This wasn't the middle. Is that guy going to loot me? Better not be. As a surprise coming. He is. You come near me and loot me all you like. Hey. Let's go. Make it across. I'm not teaming. Like, can I kill him? Oh, wait. Oh. I'm guessing. Oh, yeah, we're both green. I knew that. I absolutely knew that. Like, was somebody trying to get across and loot me and then realize I've already looted me? 2 red. I think we might win because I have the diamond sword. Nothing there. Come on, let's play offensive now. Dang it. Oh, stop scaring me like that, God. I thought you were a member of another team then, mate. Yeet. Where is the other team? I think they're the other side of the map. They better watch out. Coming in with my demon sword. That's what it's called. Sounds like I'm playing Breath of the Wild. Breath of the Wild or something. Oh, by the way, guys, I do have a Zelda video coming soon, but I need to find out how to record my Nintendo Switch. I am going to be recording me play Breath of the Wild first. Soon. I just did a shrine and I think I have 8 hearts now. I'm not 258% sure, but see what I did there. Maths. I hate maths. 13 minutes in. Play this offensively. Chapman team. I don't care right now. I'm trying to find the other team. Can't find them. Do you know where they are? Are you hiding them, viewers? Thought we were friends. I think you're hiding them. Come on, just tell me where they are. Ow. 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 That hurt my knee. Well, guys, I'm about to run out of time, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave in the description if I won this round. I think it's a little bit laggy at this point. But I'll leave in the description if I won or not, because I've nearly out of round time. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like, sub, and yeah, just remember what you have to do, like for unlimited cookies. Just like for unlimited cookies. Like, come on. You'll want cookies, I know.